I'm getting raindrops now. We're gonna kind of push our luck and see if we can get away with this. And we might be getting rain. Watch this. Slide my trowel. Oh shit. All right, morning. Today we got a bunch of curb and gutter, a couple good loads of it. Hopefully we don't get this rain. They kind of keep changing it around. Sitting up there on the mountain, you can kind of see the mountain, Mount Rose. Usually you see a lot more mountains than that, so those clouds are just sitting there. We're gonna kind of push our luck and see if we can get away with this. Get some little bit of plastic or visqueen in case it does rain. We'll pull up, throw caps in the trailer. I better do some counting and see where we're at. Oh yeah, we got to put a headers in, huh?
And
we got another company putting in light standards, so I've never seen light standards put in like this. Usually you do a box frame around it to make sure it stays round, all that stuff. Huh?
10 coming or 20?
10 and we'll round trip. Hey, we might be good on caps. Okay, we got about 400 feet here, so 2 loads, give or take. Probably a little more than that because we're a little deep on that toe. They had to come in and re-dig a little bit. Getting dark in the north. Man, we might be getting rain. I know, that thing's gone now. You could see it a little bit. You could see Mount Rose.
I'm gonna give him a salt.
Huh?
I'm gonna go down there and see if I can.
Okay. Get in early. This whole thing's about 400 feet, which is 2 loads, which we're deep, so we won't even get the whole thing.
Oh, he drove past. Never mind.
Oh man, what the hell's this?
Oh, you might be able to cut that. Let's see. Me and Brian made it to where that's gonna be cut a little bit. You might be able to cut that straight. Right?
Here, butt yours up. Okay. I thought I was ringing. It rang once. Was that not me?
I think that was one of those guys. Those guys, they answered, hey.
Oh.
Yeah, I think it was playing through the truck.
That was a loud ring. Rusty, you can pull these caps and you can grab my tie wire.
I got a reel right here, huh?
8:45, it's showing rain. My phone says 8 a.m. Yeah, that was that truck. He went down that way. Then I saw him pulling in, and that's him.
That's ours?
Tuesday, 7:03 at 99.3 There are big gains in the stock market this morning. Dow rising 370 points, the Nasdaq's up 88, the S&P 500 adding 23 points. And we got this news: American spent more last month.
It's cold. Put my beanie on. All right, Bud's here. Not bad, only 4 minutes late. Easy to handle. We'll see how this rain's gonna go. So it's saying 8:30 now, rain, or 8 o'clock, 8:30. It's sitting up there on the mountain.
Got a lot of gas.
It's raining right now. My brother, who's pretty much our main guy, had to take his truck into the dealership because of a DEF issue, the diesel exhaust fluid, and it's just down the road, not far. Once he gets in, then one of my guys, probably my son, has to go pick him up. So we're gonna be 2 guys short for just a little bit. There's 6 of us total. We'll be down to 4 pouring. You guys have a bunch of orders canceled or no?
Yeah.
Yeah? Just the dumb ones keep pouring?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They're pushing. They're supposedly paving here next Monday, but I don't see it happening.
Oh, really?
They're pushing hard. These guys, the dirt guys, are working till 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock every night. Saturday, and they said they're going to be working Sunday. Oh man, I grabbed my other gloves. They're so nice and warm. Try to keep your forms nice and clean. Try to fill these up, this little stuff. There's Dan. Hello. Yeah, we're pouring. Yeah, I'll send Mason.
All right, go now, Mason.
All right. You'll be on Mill? He'll be on Mill. You know where Dolan is? Okay. Dolan. It's Mill and Kitski. Reno Dodge. I'll be on Mill. This is all Mill. Uh-oh, they're both gonna be gone. Yeah. Dan will be walking back here. Mason's still gone. Technically, it should go 20 feet.
20?
Yes.
Yeah.
What?
You said 20 feet?
To the yard for curb and gutter? Yes.
We're fucking way over here.
Used to be my work truck, which I really liked it, except for the breakdown factor.
Yeah,
Oh, really? The
walk.
Kodiak broke down a lot?
A lot. It was every 2 weeks.
Hydro walk, right?
All kinds of stuff. It was. And the horrible ride. Other than that, it's a great truck. Got 10 yards poured out. My brother's back, so getting it laid down. We have probably gonna get that truck. We'll round trip him. Told him to drag his feet, take his time a little bit. We'll get another 10 yards. And hopefully this sets up fast enough to where we can get it stripped and done before that truck gets back. And then we can pour another 10. Otherwise, we'll pour it a little short-handed, which isn't the end of the world. Now we're just laying it down. Get some joints in it, start stripping. Rain's kind of held up a little bit, just a few drops here and there, nothing bad. Said about 8:30 or so, I think it's supposed to come in, so we'll see what happens here.
I think one bathroom is insufficient here.
Yes, there's a lot of people here. Yeah, this is Jeff with Valley over here at GSR. Hey, we just poured that our truck out, and I told him to round trip with another 10. I told him kind of just take his time, but just so you know.
Okay, so 20 plus, or do you just 20 total?
Just 20 total.
Got it.
That'll do it. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye. You can just kind of put it on the ground and eyeball it. You're getting raindrops now. I guess just stick with it. But usually curb and gutter, we always go 10. Sometimes instead of smashing, like it's not filling in, put a little pressure this way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it'll seal it up a little. Don't go crazy on it, but you can put a little pressure that way and it'll seal that up. When you're nosing, that's what you do. When you run that nose tool, you don't push down, you push in, and it'll seal that up. When you push down is what smashes it. Sometimes guys will get a little crazy with it. Next thing you know, the thing's an inch away from the form, but you kind of rather do that than smash it, because this edge is going to get asphalt on it anyways. You won't even see the fucking edge.
I think we had 5 good feet. And then I forgot and I let the chute swing over and pour like...
Yeah. I tried it back in the day with Kelly too. It was about the same thing. We did about 5 good feet, then it just gets out of control. Watch this. Slide my trowel. We go sidewalk behind it down the road and we got a whole bunch of 4-foot joints.
I was just,
Median's always 8 just because
well, even that rolled stuff that you guys did 8.
I didn't do it, but yeah.
I just went off of what Steve said yesterday and stuck with it. I didn't think.
Yeah.
Give us.
Wesley, you can start pulling all the nails in the faces. Try to remember to pull these ones too. Some there's 2, some there's 1. We get big owls in our backyard because we got all kinds of quail back there and all that. And man, it's trippy how they'll hunt. They'll be sitting there, one will sit, and it'll kind of just swoop down, and it makes the other ones jump up, and then that other one fucking goes and gets them. Boom.
Oh, really? Right
Yeah.
mid-air fire.
Like decoys. Maybe I should have told that truck to hurry up because it's going to be ready. When this is ready, we'll be pouring.
And so now we can leave a yard according to the meter, and
Kelly-
that'll be the meter that doesn't work.
Yeah, Kelly don't need it now.
Oh.
He's all, it's raining, he goes, I don't want to mess with it. He's all, it's in the asphalt. All right, getting the first load broomed. Hopefully the rain holds. We'll get it cured here shortly. This here's the inlet for this parking lot. The whole parking lot comes to this one drain. 745 parking spots. Pretty good size. It's gonna be a lot of water. When they get snow or rain and it starts melting. You're throwing your steaks, try to always throw them in a pile. I'll try to throw the 30s separate from the 2s. It just makes it easier to pick up. We always use metal stakes. A lot of places use wood, but we've always used metal. We're in a pretty rocky area, especially down in town. You're close to the river, so there's river rock everywhere. These metals, you can either put dirt under them, or you put a nail in them to keep them to grade. As long as they don't drive the nail underneath, it's good. Then you take the stake, pop the form loose every so often.
You ready?
1, 2, 3. I'll give it a couple minutes. Once you guys get those off, I'll cure.
Okay.
Trying to get it a little harder in case it rains again. We don't have to re-broom. I actually like this crew because Wesley and oh shit,
There, got it.
stuff fell out. Is that lunch?
That's lunch!
Sprinkling again, nothing bad. See if I can get some cure on this. Yeah, I was just gonna park and I just clean all those woods and load them.
You can just take those woods and you'll have enough right there.
Yeah, but then they got to bring the trailer back. Well, we'll have to bring it back for steak, so. Well, you could take the truck. we'll take that over there, get what we need while these guys are cleaning and doing whatever the fuck. Hey, me and Dan are gonna go start setting that.
Okay.
I'm gonna have them take the trailer, we'll get off what we need. And once you guys are good, you can come back and get it or whatever.
Brush from you.
Yeah, you can grab another brush. When I used to do it with Cy, he'd have,
With who?
with Cy,
Uh-huh.
he'd get 3/8 mix.
Oh.
And it was a lot easier to do the hand stack stuff with it.
Oh. Really?
Yeah. It worked pretty good. Because that stuff has, me and Dan are gonna go set, help these guys clean up, and then hopefully we'll be done.
Okay. Looks really good.
Thank you. Yeah, just back up to here for now. We'll get all this, and then you can pull around.
This will make that bend right here.
Yeah, let's just throw that out. See if we can do the whole thing. You can come to me if you want. Beautiful. Okay. That stupid cure can leaked all on my glove. It's all sticky, my pointer finger. For the most part. Do we got to do something here?
Yeah, I gotta go around that now.
We're going behind it and
Go
doing
in front of it.
go completely in front of it with the full curb. Okay.
Like there's another one that you guys did down there where you just do a radius around it.
Okay.
And then we got that slotted drain in that, but I'm not
You got to
gonna
dig a little, or
Yeah, and demo that concrete
collar?
vessel. Yeah.
Okay.
And it just runs straight in there, you know, so Julio didn't want me to take that pin until you guys were done with that.
Yep.
that,
Okay.
which made sense.
Yeah.
So very little prepping down there, but
You freaking liar.
Reading the level incorrectly.
I'm like, we got a fucked up board. There we go. It's always those where you take your eyes off when you're swinging the nail and you miss, and then the nail falls out because I think you glance at something else real quick. All right, there's our day. We got another 18 to 20 yards to pour tomorrow. We beat the rain, got us a little bit, nothing bad. Take a moment, please like, subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate it. Channel's doing great. More to come. Remember, sometimes you got to slow down to speed up.